I hope y'all aren't sick of me yet, and sorry for the long wait. It's been a few days since we've done another Group B rally video, and I am back to give you more. We checked out like the history of the 80s when I was about to say Formula One, when Group B was really just chaotic and crazy and there weren't a lot of rules, and sadly a lot of fatalities as well. And then we checked out the more modern times, but today I just want to focus on like the craziness and the fun, the engine sounds, those, what did y'all call it? Something with turbos, the blow-off valves, the, I love the way that sounds, the engines, the exhaust, all the big jumps and all that, like the things that make it fun. That's what I really enjoy. All the like details and what's going on in the different techniques for the turns, we can learn that later. Let's today just enjoy the craziness and the hecticness of these cars. Let's get right into Group B monsters with pure engine sounds. If you're new here, subscribe. We're trying to get to 25K. I don't even know what we're on our way to right now. But thank you for being here if you've been here for a while. Like the video, check out my other channels, the Instagram, the TikTok. Here we go into Group B. Have you noticed I always try to rep cars for these videos? World champion, Jeff. On the dirt is crazy. I'm still not over the different pavements. That was mud. We saw this car in the last video. This is my favorite body style. I just like the squareness of it, you know, and all the arrow. Are you into apple juice or orange juice? Let me know. That one, ooh, the backfire! That one was, that's such a deep tone. Ah! They made that look easy. I think it's more impressive when they do it on the dirt roads. God, it must be hard to breathe as a standby. That was a clean turn. Oh my god. Oh my god. That one was screaming. What the heck is this? A little reckless there. I feel like that screaming person perfectly exemplifies this whole sport. Just recklessness. Oh my god, they're on a cliff. And I didn't see any guardrails. A little too close there. What kind of trail? Oh, a Porsche! You got money if you're doing this with a Porsche. Why would you bring that suspension to dirt? Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my god. The driver control is so Exhibit. Ooh, snow? Imagine just being pelted with the snow. So fast. Can't even see him. Have some, oh my god, look at the crowd, but they must have some really sticky tires to be going those speeds on snow is crazy enough, but to do it on dirt roads and all different types of pavements, and it doesn't seem like anyone loses control. So I had to test that too, the tires of course, but also the drivers. And I saw a comment in the last video that the drivers don't even really make money doing this sport. I feel like that's not fair. They need to be compensated for the entertainment. Like, do all these people, they don't pay tickets or access or whatever? At least they've got common sense to clear the road. These transitions are so good. Oh my god. His whole back fender was gone. They sound like motorcycles, some of them. Ooh. That one looked and sounded expensive. All the lights on it. I heard something there. I don't know what it was, but so another thing I've noticed, it's always one car at a time. So is it they're comparing times for how long it takes a driver to do a lap, or is it like Formula One or that we did a video a few videos back of like a motorcycle type of racing where everyone's doing one race at the same time, or is it like you compare times? Because we've never seen a video of two drivers at the same time, and I guess it's probably a safety thing. Rain, snow, or shine, they're racing! Great control. Such tight turns. What happened? That was a weird turn. Porsche. Through a whole city. Oh, look at that big puddle. Look at the puddle. Ah! Windshield wipers. That was a jump. He's just flooring it! My god! What are the purpose of mud flaps again? I feel like driving in the city too causes more obstacles for you. Because it's one thing to hit a tree, it's another thing to hit a whole building. The flames, out the side of the car? A side exit? Oh no. No. Nighttime is crazy. And I feel like we've also seen some clips where it was night, but these guys seem a bit more, like they're just sending it. At least the other night clips seem to be contained and, you know, a little more hesitant, if you will. But these guys, I'm afraid. Snow at night is crazy. Okay, it looks like the rest of the video is more, okay. If this video can get 1,000 likes, we'll do a part 2 and check out the nighttime clips. Because if they're doing this shit during the day, if they carry over tonight, I already know it's going to be crazier. Let's see. 1,000 likes, guys, and we'll do a part 2.